Today we're going to check out the HLMT23 tag, so let's get cracking. So this is Tinkercad.com. It is a free website where you can design whatever you want. This is where you would create a design. Today I simply want to highlight the gallery. These are called staff picks. When you click on a design, of course, you get a better view of it. You can also give a reaction. Some designs are set to copy and tinker. Some designs you can only check out and say, oh my gosh, that's fantastic. What I want to highlight today, though, is what I call the HLMT23 tag. You can always use this search right here. I'm going to copy and I'm going to go to it. And you can see all the designs that were shared with HLMT23. There are thousands of them. They show up every day. And of course, when they do, I check them out and give them reactions. So many amazing creations. Master Copier, that is so awesome. There are literally thousands of designs that have been shared over the years. So many epic creations. Please visit the tag, check them out, and give them a reaction. This brings me to this one right here called the Team HLMT23 project. I created this a little while ago. All you have to do is click on it and react, and you can join. So Solver63 has already been added. I'm going to give them a reaction. I do want to show you, if you visit the tag, you get to see the design and all the users that have joined. Currently, we are up to 72. Of course, if you click right here, it mentions give a reaction and you're in. If you want the trophy that was part of the project, I'll click view in 3D so you can see the fun little trophy. Simply click copy and tinker if you want to snag it. The whole point of this tag is just to have the world share cool projects every day. These are absolutely fantastic. Of course, make sure you give them a reaction, and don't forget you can hit view in 3D and check them out from every angle. How cool is that? We have projects that are useful. Love this project from Ty Grizzly. Make sure you also keep an eye out for the fantastic projects from ZDP 189. They are always epic and they are always set to copy and tinker. A quick wrap up, of course, I want to say thanks again to everybody that shares to the tag. It is so cool to see fantastic new designs every single day. I am looking forward to seeing a design that isn't a staff pick that actually gets 100 reactions. Of course, if you want to join Team HLMT23, just click that design and give it a reaction. Finally, I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget, every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.